Hi, my name is Miss Rodriguez. I teach 3rd grade math and science, and I just wanted to do a video of the warm-up that my students and I do on a day-to-day basis. The past few months we've been doing shapes, so that's where I'm going to pick up. Parallel lines, lines that never ever touch. It's just like train tracks. Right angles measure 90 degrees, and you can test it by fitting a piece of paper right into that angle. Side and vertices. Sides are straight, vertices are the point, and angles the inside of the vertice. Side, vertice, angle. Side, vertice, angle. Side, vertice, angle. Two-dimensional figures are flat. Polygons had to have closed, straight sides to be a polygon. Triangles have how many sides? 3 sides. There are special kinds of triangles. These are just a few of the triangles. Right triangle, because it has that right angle. Isosceles, so 2 of the sides are the same. And equilateral, all the sides are equal. Quadrilateral has how many sides? 4 sides. Quad means 4. So if it doesn't have any opposite sides that are equal, parallel lines, or 90-degree angles, it's just an irregular quadrilateral. These are all special quadrilaterals. So a square has how many sides? 4, and all the sides are equal. It has 4 90-degree angles, and it has 2 sets of parallel lines. They'll never ever touch. Since it has 2 sets of parallel lines, a square can be a parallelogram. A rhombus is a lot like a square. If I were to take a square and push it down just a little bit, you now have a rhombus. A square has all the sides that are equal. Did I change the sides at all for a rhombus? No. So all the sides are equal on a rhombus. A square has 90-degree angles. Does a rhombus have 90-degree angles? No, I got rid of those angles when I smashed it down. A square has 2 sets of parallel lines. Does a rhombus have 2 sets of parallel lines? Yes. These 2 and these 2, they will never ever touch. Because a rhombus has 2 sets of parallel lines, it's also a parallelogram. A rectangle. Rectangle sides. Opposite sides are equal. Has 2 short, 2 long sides. It has 4 90-degree angles, and it has 2 sets of parallel lines. So you guessed it, rectangle is also a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Any 4-sided figure with 2 sets of parallel lines and opposite sides that are equal is a parallelogram. A trapezoid is a special kind of quadrilateral because it only has 1 set of parallel lines. These lines will eventually touch. These lines won't touch. But because it only has 1 set of parallel lines, can it be a parallelogram? No. It only has 1 set. It has to have 2 to be a parallelogram. So next we have the pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. There's not a lot of words with X's in it, but hexagon and 6 both have an X in it, so you can remember it that way. Octagon is like octopus. How many legs does an octopus have? It has 8, so an octagon has 8 sides, like a stop sign. Non-polygons. Non-polygons have either curved sides or open sides. My way to remember a polygon. If we have a shape and Polly's a bird, this could be a house for Polly. However, if I open this side, Polly could escape. So it'd be a non-polygon because no Polly, he's gone, he escaped. If I put Polly in a circle, okay, it's closed, But if I put Polly in here, he's going to roll around and around and around. He's going to get nauseous and he's going to pass out. No, Polly, he's gone. Polly likes straight sides that are closed in. Straight sides that are closed in. Pretend those are all straight sides. What about if I put Polly in something that has straight sides and then it has a curve? Well, I could put Polly this way, but if I turned the shape and put Polly in it this way, he's still going to rock back and forth like a boat. No, Polly, he's gone. So even though it has straight sides, it still has that curve, which makes it a non-polygon. So moving on, area, use side times side, side times side. Side times side equals area. Side times side equals area. I don't need to side times side times side times side. This is just like a multiplication chart. You do one side times the other side. It's the inside of the shape. When you get your answer for area, it's square units, square centimeters, square inches, square feet, square yards, whatever square measurement it is. Square means that you've multiplied it to find the area. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. Perimeter, perimeter. You find perimeter by adding up all the sides. Perimeter, I say, would be like putting up a fence. You add up all the sides. Area would be like putting grass in the shape, so you only want the inside of the shape. Area comes in handy if you're putting tile on a floor. I'm not going to count all the tiles. I'm just going to side times side, and there's my answer. If you have kind of an irregular shape, you're going to have to cut it up and find side, side times side, side times side, and side times side. You're going to have to add it, add it, add it. If it's perimeter, you just add up all the sides. Plus side, 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 and add all those numbers up. So area, side times side equals area. Side times side equals area. Perimeter, perimeter. You add up all the sides. Width would be how wide something is. Length is how long. Distance is on here, but distance is how far. So width, I think of a driveway. How many cars you can put side by side on a driveway. Length, I think of how long the driveway is. So how long it takes you to get the car down the driveway. And then distance, how far did you go from your end of the driveway to your house. So width is how wide, length is how long, distance how far. Width is how wide, length is how long, distance is how far. Last one, congruent. They had to be the same size, same shape, same size, same shape. Color doesn't matter. Same size, same shape. These markers, same size? Yes. Same shape? Yes. So that makes them congruent. Does the color matter? No. They're both markers, same size, same shape. Now, if I said this marker and this pin, same size? No. Same shape? I guess so, but they're definitely not congruent. Same color, but does color matter? No, the color doesn't matter.